Hello, hello, my dear audience, and welcome again, once again, to my channel, UKRAINE-EUROVISION channel. Okay, guys, hello once again. I want to welcome you on my channel. If you are watching first time, my name is Paco, a Croatian guy, lives in Vienna, Austria. 1 year ago, I started this Eurovision channel. So please like, subscribe, and share my channel if you like. Thank you. So, like I said, country by country, we are going till the end of this Eurovision comment of the countries this year, and one of these country is Ukraine. Yes, Ukraine. Okay, Ukraine. Welcome, Ukraine, on Eurovision board. Welcome. I'm so happy for you to see you again. So, who are we have for Ukraine? This year we have one band. It's called ZIFERBLAT or ZIFERBLAT. How you want? ZIFERBLAT is Ukrainian band, of course. So, what do we know about them? The band was founded in 2015. They had released one album, Pretenoverenia, and they released a lot of singles, and they had also been on competition for Eurovision last year and year before that also. So they they participated already in the election of Ukraine for Eurovision Festival, and they didn't make it for the win. But this year that was changed, and they won this year with song Bird of Prey. So I see that they are very famous in Ukraine. They had a really interesting music career. They are like 10 years behind us for now in the music scene, so they have experience. They've been also on the competition for Eurovision, and this year they finally won, and we will see what they have prepared for us. So, the Bird of Prey, and this band is ZIFERBLAT. So, ZIFERBLAT. Okay, let's go to see what they have for us. So, Ukraine, we will see your performance, but we don't have performance, I think. Yes, this is performance, not video. So, we are going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Okay. So. Are these Bird of Prey, these girls? Oh! Okay. They are singing on Ukrainian.
And I called you fly, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of prey.
Oh, they have combined English and Ukrainian. Okay. I like this, like this is like a rock song, pop rock, pop rock.
Fly like a bird. Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies. But I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird.
I love these flowers, this green stuff on the stage, the garden. That's so cool. Oh my God, Ukraine, you so surprised me this year. So I must say, I'm so nervous because I want to say lots of things. First, I love the idea of the staging because they have grass, they have like a garden on the stage with flowers, with grass. So good idea, people. Bravo, Ukraine. I never seen. I watched all Eurovision entries till now. This idea, not even 1 year that nobody had this crazy idea with garden, with flowers, with all that. This is very, very origin and very, very specific and very, very cool. So nice for I just want to look. The staging is so good, and they have this colorful outfit. I like very much. I like these girls behind them, behind this band, these back vocals. I love the atmosphere of the song, the song of the bird. This is really the song of the bird, because you hear at the beginning they are like birds singing, and this whole song is for me like one musical theme. Like you are in the theater now and you watch one musical beautiful song from one movie or something. And I think this is beyond Eurovision. So for me, this year, Ukraine definitely deserved to be in the final. And in the final will be in high top 10 place. So nice, Ukraine. You really surprised me this year. Bravo. What do you think, guys, about Ukrainian entry? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you. Hvala, spasiba. I know spasiba is not on Ukraine, that's on Russian. Ukrainian have another word for thank you. I know that, I'm sorry. So, okay guys, good job. See you very soon. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Ciao.